Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to download ChatGPT in laptop. Open your browser and type here install ChatGPT for Windows and open this second GitHub link. Scroll down and here you'll find this ChatGPT Windows installer. Click on that and the ChatGPT installer will be downloaded on your computer. Now all you have to need just install the ChatGPT using this installer, and once you installed you will get the ChatGPT here. Open the ChatGPT software and log in into your ChatGPT account, and then you will be able to use ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.